Top news, September 3, 2025. Economics, banking, finance, technology, startup, and sustainability news. It is oil price. US crude is $66. Brent is around $69. Natural gas is $3 MMBTU. Now, if you look at the gold, that's crossed $3,602. Gold, Indian rupee, if I look at it, 312,188 rupees per ounce. Silver, $41.62. It's all safe haven. When it comes to currency market, one US dollar is equal to 88.16 rupees. Euro, $1.16. British pound is $1.33. Dollar index, 98.47. That is up by 0.07%. When it comes to treasury yields, it's coming down. Rate cut is expected. FOMC meeting in third week of September. Major trend in Asian markets. If you look at it, it's all mixed signals. And US market is fully down. All three are down. Europe, all three markets, FTSE, CAC, and DAX are down. And Indian market is also down by 0.18%, Nifty, and 0.26%, Sensex. Oil price hold on to gain from US sanctions. That's the news. When it comes to India's top news, now the big picture is India extend export obligation for chemical imports to 18 months. India, US still in dialogue for bilateral trade deals, says the Commerce Minister. State to gain from GST rate rationalization. What about Middle East? Qatar Commercial Bank's total assets up by 6.5%. And protecting intellectual property proposal, Qatar's economic growth. And when it comes to Oman-Iraq trade volume exceeds over 240 million Omani riyals. Egypt eyes closer bilateral cooperation in agriculture with Kuwait. Saudi Arabia, UAE dominate healthcare deals in GCC. That's the top news on the Middle East. The rest of the world news. Long bond yield rise, gold hits record on fiscal concern. Japanese investors are leaving the reflation trade to foreigners. South African rand falls as dollar gains ahead of key US data. Australia growth beats forecast. So that's interesting. Japanese stocks decline on political jitters. What about the European news? Banks and industrials drag London stocks to lower close on fiscal worries. When it comes to France, central bank chief warns the longer France waits to tackle debt, more pain it will be. True. American top news. We know Wall Street ends lower as ruling on Trump tariffs raises concern. Weak pound and yen shore up dollars. Brazil taps global market for third debt sale of 2025. Brazil economy slows sharply in second quarter, but still beats forecast. Gold mining shares lift Toronto stock market to another record high. Tech and startup. It's all happening in tech and startup. Google keeps Chrome and Apple deal, but must share data in big antitrust ruling. Google ad tech fine on hold as EU avoids lower US car duties, sources are saying. Microsoft to discount cloud services for US government. Italian court cuts 1.1 billion euro antitrust fine on Amazon. What about sustainability news? US appeal court allows Trump EPA to 9 climate grants. France wants more time to clinch new EU climate target, diplomats are saying. Over 85 scientists say Energy Department climate report lacks merit. And plow for help after landslide wipes out Sudan village, killing thousands. What a tragedy. Tens of robots driving the next era of automation. That's the essence of today's top news for you.